Hey guys, Special Ed here. Thanks for clicking. Thanks for watching. If you like it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. I got some other cool videos out there and some cool stuff coming in the future. So if you like guy stuff, flounder gigging, fishing, tools, woodworking, I got some fun wood there, some sweet gum and some poplar. Anyway, what I wanted to show you is the dual flip top tool stand I have. I'll give a shout out to Pneumatic Addict. I got these plans off of her video. You can see my thickness planer underneath. I've got my vise and my grinder. I've got my miter saw. They both flip. Got some junk up there too, but got an open top, I guess, on the bottom. And you can see I use some scrap wood, use some new wood. Always about recycle, reuse, and renew. I don't know. Yeah, I hate to waste stuff, so I'm always using stuff that I have in-house. Rarely do I throw stuff away or burn it. Always find good uses for it. Anyway, hey, I wanted to tell you guys that this was about total of about $50 in materials. So probably 5, 6, maybe 7 2x4s, and hardware. You can see I've got the eye bolts there. Those were good. I think those are about 8 inches. I had to go through 2x4s, another 2x on the inside, and get all the way through. And again, you can see it's about 2 inches thick. Had the plywood, obviously, OSB, and ran some nails, ran some screws, kind of a combination. Again, $50. Thanks to Pneumatic Addict. And if you have any questions, comments, let me know, and I can put a link to her channel. And I'm sure you'll love her content. She does lots of cool stuff. So here it is on casters. It wheels, it spins, it cuts, does everything I wanted it to do. And I've got lots of space now. I don't need multiple tables for it. So this has been great. Again, any questions, concerns? Give me a comment. Any suggestions? Give me a comment. If you want me to look at something new, doing something else, give me a comment. Love hearing from you guys. And I wanted to tell you guys, Special Ed came from when I was a kid. My mom always told me I was special, just like everyone else. So you're special too. Anyway, Special Ed out.